Alrighty, just gonna do a quick little tutorial so you can see some of how you do images. Let me just get on a page where I can do it more easily. Okay, so there are a bunch of different ways to do it. You can just drag and drop. It tends to get really difficult to do that. So I usually do not, don't mind my messages. So how I typically would do it is I say, okay, I want an image here. You use this box and then you have to come here. And to center it, now you see with the pink line that it's centered. The pink line shows it's centered. And you can adjust however you'd like. Then the easiest way I found is to then say File up top. Here, let me move my recorder 1 second. Of course, now my screen recorder won't come all the way up. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through it. I'm in InDesign, I go to File, down, and then I hit Place. Then a little thing's going to come up. Sorry, my computer's really slow right now. Let me just go to my desktop and grab something random. I put it in, and then to make it right, I go fit to like this auto fit, I think it is, and now it's perfect. If I wanted to just move the image around, I can use this, and then you can also, so obviously this is fitting to what it is, so it's cropping in on the image a little bit. If you don't want the image to crop in at all, you hit this one, and then it will fit in with the original crop inside of it. And then from there you can do it and expand and keep doing that. And then if you wanted the full page, you would just bring it all the way up, line it up with the page, do it again. However, one thing to keep in mind is if we were ever doing this as a print magazine, this pink lines, these are considered the bleed lines. So typically you don't really want to go outside the bleed lines, at least when it comes to words and things like that. Pictures can be okay, but they just aren't guaranteed to have great quality, I think is how it works. Anyway, I'm gonna remove that. That's from my wedding this weekend. And so that's really it. Just the annoying part of InDesign is you always want to work with these boxes, and then you can't just start typing. And you always have to go to the arrow, and then you click on it. You always have to click on the box. You're continuously going back to this arrow to do things. So if something's not working, just go back to the arrow. That's probably why it's not working. Okay, so I think that's it. If you have any other questions,